What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And right now, we're gonna go put the Gixxer 1000 to the test against the mighty H2. I'm not putting a lot of faith in being able to keep up. In fact, I know I won't be able to keep up. But we're gonna see how it handles. It's gonna be a pretty nasty lose, I think, though. But we'll see. He is gonna kick my fucking ass. Oh. No fucking way! Hold him off! Dude, you look like a big gorilla on that thing. Your jacket is so blown up. You might as well strap a parachute to your back. That was a 2001 Gsxr with a heavy rider versus a 2006 Gixxer 600 with a light rider. That Cowie did pretty good though. You just gotta get that jacket aired down. You look like a big gorilla. I have bugs all over my visor. I'm sure this fucking camera is just covered in bugs right now. Alright. Gixxer 1000 versus H2. I got fucking wasted. Oh, I got killed, man. Oh, that wasn't even close. That wasn't even close. Alright, I'm gonna race the Gixxer 1000 in low power mode. Alright, ready? Oh, he went before me, that little fucking cheater. Oh, oh, he got me. Oh, he got me. He got away from me to honk. He took off on me. Oh no! He's getting me again. Oh, he got me again. I think he's starting in first gear. It's too fast for me. We'll try him in first. You got me again. Hell yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, he's gone. Ah! I don't think he realized you were racing right away. Alright, well, I'm gonna cut the video here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As you can see, the low power mode on the Gixxer is actually slower than the Gixxer 600. This is pretty close, but he got me every time. And of course the H2 got me. I need to quit losing these things. They're looking bad for my fucking... It's hard when everything I race is in a better category. Alright, anyways, I'm Ulrich 27. Until next time, peace.